Hello, oily friends and family. I am coming to you today because I wanted to share a little update of what's going on with me since I was tested for the Rona. So far, I've been feeling pretty good after 3 days of I'm starting to come around. I was dealing with a lot of congestion, so I wanted to talk about that a little bit. But first, let's take 2 minutes for ourselves because that's important to me. People tell me all the time they don't have enough time for themselves, and I want to fix that. So I'm going to grab my favorite essential oil balance today, just 1 drop. You know how it goes. We're going to put 1 or 2 drops in our hands. We're going to rub them together, and we're going to take some 2 to 3 deep inhales from cupped hands. Here we go. We're breathing in the lovely essential oils and breathing out the bullshit. Here we go. One more time. Yay! Okay, so I had to look up what was going on with all this congestion. I couldn't get rid of it. I was trying to breathe and nothing was working. So I went into my little book and Modern Essentials book, and it suggested for mucus, because mucus, what happens is when a microorganism touches any of our sensitive areas like the nose, digestion, and reproductive system, it's going to produce a mucus to protect it. So that's our body's defending itself. So I was getting a bunch stuffy here, not really like coming out, it's just like stuck in there. I constantly have to feel like I got to clear my throat, and I noticed my bowel movements were a little different, so that made sense of why I wasn't as regular as usual. And down in the lady bits area was a little excessive as well. It's like I constantly flowing down there, so I don't know what's going on. So it was all the mucus, and they highly recommended DigestZen. So I've got the Touch and the Digestive Blend. I know, who would have thought your digestion for digestive support would help you with congestion and mucus. So this is how I used it. I would take the DigestZen Touch and just apply right here on the cheeks. If you feel like uncomfortable doing it that way, you can always put on the tip of your finger right here and then dot along this way. I also applied this on the bottom of my feet, and I would apply on my chest and on my back because our lungs are back there too. And then I would apply a drop when I had the straight oil, the blend. I would put a drop, rub my hands together, and take 2 to 3 deep inhales so I could really feel it coming in back there. And then I would follow it with the breathe. I would open up those airways some more with the breathe, and I would I would inhale that. I also took 1 drop of DigestZen internally. I put it in a veggie cap. I think I have a little, I can show you real quick what a veggie cap looks like. It could be a gel cap, and you just pull it apart, put the drop or 2 in, and then close it, and then take it internally. Yes, you can take these internally. Because they have a supplement fact, which means it passed the GRAS test, which is the FDA requirement for food additives to be tested, and they passed the test. It's recognized as safe because it's plants, it's essential oils. Breathe, okay, we talked about that. And then the other thing I did is I took 1 drop of frankincense under the tongue every day, and I did that for 4 days, and I noticed I was getting much relief. A lot of the mucus would break up, and I would cough it up and spit it out, and it was pretty gnarly. Then after the 4th day, I still was like, okay, I need some more relief. Like, this is fun and all, but I was hoping that by day 5 it would be gone. But we're still dealing with like a little bit. So I went and got my hang on, you guys, I should have been prepared for this. I grabbed my iTOVI scan, which is this little contraption here. It has the same technology as Fitbit. It's just bouncing these things inside our body to tell us what supplements our body is lacking. So I did that, and it said eucalyptus for respiratory support, which I'm completely out of, but I did find a little sample, so I used that. Because eucalyptus, in several studies, have found that it breaks up the mucus when they tested it in mice. Just a little fun fact there. So yeah, eucalyptus helped with respiratory support, and it also suggested oregano to boost my immune system, because I've been using On Guard. I've been diffusing throughout the house and applying it to the bottom of my feet before bed, but I need a little extra, so I grabbed my oregano, and again, one drop in my in a veggie cap. I just started yesterday with that protocol, and I took another one this morning on an empty stomach with my probiotics. You know, because happy gut means happy life, okay? All right, that's it, you guys. That's all I wanted to share with you, was that protocol. So again, DigestZen here, bottoms of the feet, inhale it, take one drop internally, and then follow up with your breathe on the chest, on the back, down the spine. And then frankincense, and all this does is keep inflammation down throughout the day, or at least help support so you're not inflamed too much, okay? And that's why I took the frankincense, just to keep the inflammation down, because that causes the mucus to form as well. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you're ever dealing with congestion, please try these products and see if they'll work for you. They've been working for me. I'm starting to get some relief and feeling normal again. So yay, I'm still got a little bit, but it's not as bad. It's doable, it's livable, it's manageable. Okay, that's it. Okay, have the best rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to talk about gut health, how to reset our gut, our weight, and our hormones. And there's a 30-day protocol for the gut, 30-day protocol for the weight, and a 30-day protocol for the hormones. I hope you tune in tomorrow. I'm super excited about this because I've done the gut cleanse twice, and huge difference. What a difference when you do it. Okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Join us 8 a.m. bright and early on Pacific time, Zoom, Facebook group. If not, catch the replay here on the YouTube channel. And don't forget, if you like what you see, subscribe. Okay, bye guys. Have a great day. Bye.